The easiest way to install Git on your Mac is by opening the terminal, typing Git, and pressing enter. You can open the terminal by pressing Command Space on your keyboard or navigating to the spotlight magnifying glass in the top right-hand corner of your screen and searching for it. It also lives in Applications, subdirectory Utilities, and get to it that way. This will prompt the installation of Xcode and a slew of development utilities related to Xcode. After accepting the install and waiting for it to download, Git will be available to you on your Mac. I hope that helps, and good luck!